Hello guys, welcome to your channel Compu Respuestas in English. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a bootable USB memory or flash drive for Windows 10. I'm gonna teach you that one in an easy way, step by step. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, it's quite important for us and that will motivate us to continue doing this content for all our followers. So let's go ahead. So the first thing that we are gonna do is obviously we already have our Windows 10 64 bits ISO. So if you don't have that one, please go back to our video that we have in the channel and how to download Windows 10. I explained it step by step how to do it. So now we are assuming that we already have the Windows 10 x64. So the first thing that we have to do is open our internet browser. So in that case, we are gonna use Google Chrome. Just double click .google.com.au or US, depends on wherever you are. Okay, just click there. So on the Google search, we are gonna type. There is a very small program, but it's so efficient. So the program is called Rufus. Just click Rufus, download, okay, and clicks enter. So let's go to the official website, the one that I highlight in red. Just click in there. So the advantage of this program is very light, so it's not heavy one. So that's you don't need to install that one in your computer. Okay, guys. So once the website for Rufus is open, so let's go move down and we are gonna go to the section that said download. So let's go to Rufus 3.9. Obviously that one is there, keep updating that one. So at the moment we are gonna use that one. Just click in there. So we can see that is now downloading that one. Just click in there. So the computer is asking us if you want to allow this program to run. Just click yes. So we already have our our Rufus open. So the first thing that we are gonna realize is in device. So once you plug that one to USB port, that one recognizes straight away. So as you see, so we already have a 16 gigs USB memory or flash drive. So second one, you need to go to this option, select, okay, and click there. So now we are gonna tell Rufus where our ISO is located. So we need to go to the desktop and go for the section that said Windows 10 x 64 bits. Okay, so now once you are there, so the only thing that you have to do is label that one. So we're gonna put Windows 10 x64 bits. Okay, now just the last step of the process is click start. I'm gonna show you that one when that one finish. That one obviously is gonna ask if all the data are gonna be deleted for the USB memory. Make sure that you have, if you have any important information in there, please back up. Just click OK. So as I told you before, we already tried different software like Win to USB. Unfortunately, that one, when the size of the ISO is more than 4 gigs, so you need to get or purchase that one. So the advantage of that one is completely free, so you don't have anything at all, and that one is excellent to work with. Okay guys, so the Rufus already finished. So the way to realize if our USB memory or Windows 10 USB memory or flash drive is working well, so the thing that we have to do is unplug that one from the USB port and then plug it again. Okay, so let's have a see what happened. So if that one doesn't start straight away, so let's go to this PC, double click in there. So, and that is the way that you are gonna see your Windows 10 x64 bits. So it's in that little shape. So the last step of this process pretty much install that one in a new computer or an existing one. So you need to make that one boot, or you need to make your computer boot from the BIOS into the USB flash drive. Okay, so I don't want to make this video longer. So if you want to see how install or learn how to install Windows 10 from a clean installation, so on the next videos I'm gonna show you that one. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, it's quite important for us. Please, if you have any question, leave the comments below and click in the share. See you next time.